Looking good there at the backside. We're at 70 degrees right now, and we have some cloud cover, but the rain is staying away, at least for now. We do have a possibility, though, of some more rain once again today. Some scattered showers and storms, about a 70% chance of that happening, particularly this Thursday afternoon. So if you're heading out to enjoy some of the festivities there, just grab your umbrella or poncho and be ready to dodge some of those storms. Could turn strong at times, although these will be very scattered in nature. And then for Friday, the Oaks, it does look like we'll still be dealing with some wet weather, but more rain than anything else. No severe weather expected for your Friday. And then on Saturday, Derby Day, a chance of some rain earlier on, but at this point still looks like we'll be dry along the track for Derby time. So taking a look here at the severe weather outlook for today, Storm Prediction Center issuing a level 2 out of 5 in terms of that severe weather threat. The greatest risk here would be hail and some gusty winds, perhaps a few heavy downpours. The tornado threat, though, very low with this. Looking to Futurecast to give us an idea, maybe around 8 o'clock, seeing a few blips of showers and storms coming through the metro. That will lasting in through around lunchtime and then clearing things out as we get into mid-afternoon. I think this evening we will mostly stay on the cloudy side, and then some of those showers start to build back in as we head into your Friday. So again, unsettled weather both today and tomorrow. We're not quite done with this pattern just yet, but things are looking up once we head into Derby weekend. This is Friday evening at 5 o'clock, and you will notice here some pockets of heavier rain and perhaps a few thunderstorms embedded along with those pockets of rain, lasting in through Friday evening and then in through Saturday morning, maybe some more light rain coming our way. In terms of the winds today, it will be breezy out there. Winds will be gusting up in the high 20s, so could be feeling like a 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there. The rainfall, well, in general, about an inch of rain through the time we get through Saturday into Sunday, so not dealing with a tremendous amount of rain, nothing that will cause any flood issues. So I want to take you a look now at beyond what we were talking about. This is Saturday. This is just one of the models. It does show some light rain still lingering around Louisville, around Derby time. We'll have to fine tune this as we get closer. Right now, though, not a high chance of that happening. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast for you. As I mentioned, we are looking at some cooler temperatures once we head into Derby weekend with those highs in the 60s. And then to start off your next work week, back up near 80 degrees.